Do you guys want a softer beard? I have 3 steps that will help you achieve a softer beard coming up. Thanks for tuning into my channel, guys. So if you like this channel, go ahead and subscribe to the bottom. Subscribe, like, click on the bell because that'll help you get notified once I upload a new video. So let's get right into it. The first thing I do for softening my beard is obviously getting in the shower. Now, 7 days a week, I do what's called a co-wash. And the brand that I co-wash with, the conditioner I co-wash with is Shea Moisture. I think it's called Restorative Conditioner. I don't know if you can see that there. It's from Shea Moisture. Excellent brand. I like it. I use it every single day to condition my beard. Now, once a day on Wednesdays, that's the middle of the week, I use a shampoo, also by Shea Moisture, and it's Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It strengthens and restores shampoo. I think you've seen this before. If you can zoom in on it. There you go. Excellent, excellent, excellent product. Keeps my beard nice and healthy, and I love it. Now, when I get out of the shower after doing my co-wash, and that's, for you guys don't know what co-washing is basically using conditioner as opposed to shampoo. Because you know, shampooing your beard every single day is going to dry out all the oils. And that's not good for you. That's not good for having a soft beard. Now, the next thing I do is when I get out of the shower, this is the second step. I use a leave-in conditioner. Now, I seen the Bearded and the Beauty, I think his name is. Real popular guy on YouTube. Does a beard. He's a Marine also. And he uses Shea Moisture Black Vanilla and the Black Vanilla Spray. I love it. Great product. But for my beard, for whatever reason, it was really heavy. It got tangled more for some reason. And it didn't feel like I could comb through it as easy. So just by luck, I happened to go to a store, a beauty store, and I found at Jackie's. I don't know if you've seen it. Well, anyways, it's much cheaper. Aunt Jackie's, basically, it's the same thing. It smells super clean. I put it in my beard for the first time. I conditioned it, and I was able to comb through it like no problem. It was the best detangler out there, and my beard felt soft. Now, after the first week, I really, really, really noticed a difference. And guys, I recommend Aunt Jackie's. I'm not getting paid. I don't even think they have an affiliate link. But if you can find this online or at your local beauty store, obviously I won't get paid for it when you buy it. So you know I'm not just saying something random out there. But you got to get this. This is going to help your beard get soft for sure. When I go out to eat, when I go out for the day to go to work, I like to have my beard shaped. I don't like to have it all out there. I made this beard balm, and again, I'm not selling it. I just make it for me, and it's really simple. All I do is 3 parts shea, 1 part beeswax, and then I'll do like 2 parts of any kind of oil: avocado oil, black castor oil, vitamin E. And when I say parts, that basically just means like if you're using a tablespoon. So if I use 3 tablespoons of shea, I use 1 tablespoon of beeswax. That's the consistency I like it at. And then the oils, I'll use 1 part everything. So avocado oil, black castor oil, vitamin E, almond oil. I mean, you can use pretty much anything in there. You just got to figure out what it is that you like. And it gives my beard a nice little shine, and almost like barbecue, kind of lock in the flavor. So you're going to lock in the moisture on the outside and give it that shape, but underneath you're going to have Aunt Jackie's conditioner working right under there. So those are my 3 tips of having a soft beard. I know you're probably expecting some crazy, some magic serum, but trust me, it's that easy. All right, guys, so that about wraps it up. That was 3 steps on how to have a softer beard. Now, just keep in mind, when you're doing these steps, just test it out. See what you like. One of those steps are going to work. 2 of those steps are going to work. Or all 3 are going to work. I know it worked for me, but everybody's beard is different. I know my beard, I went through a lot of products to kind of dial in and figure out what worked for me. Once I got to Aunt Jackie's and the shea butter combo, that alone just made my beard all through the day. Now, I live in Arizona, so it's really hot, but the times that I tested it was basically during the good season, which is like maybe 70 to 80 degrees all year round. I know as it comes up to summer, I'm going to see how it holds up, because summer here, you know, guys, it gets extremely hot. Like we're talking 115, 120. So I'm excited for you guys. Try it out. Again, leave the comments below. Please subscribe, like my channel. I have more content. Every week, I'm either doing a beard product or I'm flying somewhere and doing a review of somewhere new. Also, follow me. I'll be going to the Maldives, leaving in a couple days. I just want to let you guys know. And I'll do tons of reviews on food. So I'm a foodie, bearded traveler. Thank you, guys.